Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're on the hunt for a soundbar that perfectly complements your QNED TV, look no further. Today, we're diving into the LG S70TY Soundbar, 2024 new model. Before we start, don't forget to check out the link below for the best prices available right now. Now, let's get into it. Dolby Atmos and Wow Orchestra. The LG S70TY features Dolby Atmos, a must-have technology for any serious home theater setup. Whether you're watching a thrilling action movie or an emotional drama, Dolby Atmos delivers 3D spatial audio that places you right in the middle of the action. The addition of Wow Orchestra, a feature exclusive to LG, synchronizes your TV speakers with the soundbar, creating a unified and expansive soundstage. It's a game-changer for audiophiles who want the ultimate cinematic experience at home. Wireless subwoofer for deep bass. The included wireless subwoofer takes your audio experience to the next level. It produces deep, resonant bass that adds dimension and power to every beat, explosion, or dramatic scene. Whether you're a bass enthusiast or just want balanced audio, this soundbar delivers. Rear speaker ready for surround sound. Want to take your setup to the next level? The LG S70TY is rear speaker ready, allowing you to add optional rear speakers for a true surround sound experience. This makes it a fantastic choice for users who want future upgradability without replacing their existing system. Perfect match for QNED TVs. Designed specifically to match LG QNED TVs, the S70TY not only delivers excellent sound but also complements the sleek design of your TV. Its aesthetic and performance integration with LG's premium TVs creates a seamless entertainment setup that looks and sounds incredible. Ease of use and connectivity. With a wireless connection to your TV and multiple input options, including HDMI, optical, and Bluetooth, setting up the LG S70TY is effortless. The soundbar also supports voice control, adding convenience to your daily usage. Why choose LG S70TY? LG has a proven track record of innovation in both visual and audio technology. The S70TY combines cutting-edge features like Dolby Atmos and Wow Orchestra with user-friendly design and compatibility. It's the perfect investment for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment system. Final thoughts. The LG S70TY TV Matching Soundbar is a premium sound solution that enhances every aspect of your viewing and listening experience. With Dolby Atmos, Wow Orchestra, a wireless subwoofer, and rear speaker readiness, it offers versatility, power, and an unmatched audio experience. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or gaming, this soundbar delivers in every department. Ready to upgrade your audio game? Click the link below to grab yours today and transform your home entertainment.